So here comes the first round. Yeah, really curious what our deck is able to. Hopefully it will get over the first round. And we play against Hair Monster, which just won the die roll. Hello. Okay. So he will play first. Gasping on the draw, this is keepable. We just need one more mana. We already have our finisher here. Okay, he chooses whether to mull or not. Gas, we can just keep that. That's okay. Should be alright. Having the Life Smith in turn 2 with Wall of Tanglecord. Yeah, here we go. So, okay, this is nice to have. Seems really awesome with the Barb Battle Gear. The 5-1 first strike. Oh, the 6-1 first strike lifelink. This seems pretty awesome. Yeah, Sunspear Shikari is okay. I also do have this one. Okay, no mana, unfortunately. And we'll play our Sunspear Shikari. Guess you're looking in the mirror, pal. So hopefully the Battle Gear will be able to come out next turn. Would be pretty sweet. Otherwise, I guess, yeah, maybe Life Smith or Wall of Tanglecord should be the play. But Battle Gear is really awesome on him. Okay, Goddess Shield. That's okay. Gets immediately equipped. Sure. Yeah. So you get your 2 life. Unfortunately, this is exactly what we didn't want to see against our Sunspear Shikari. So he took the other equipments. Yeah, well, Wall of Tanglecord or Bladed Pinions. Guess we just play the wall. At least we don't lose mana this way. He just gains mana, but, well, can't do anything about it right now. But we're not losing any. That's important. Yeah. Do that. Yeah, Sunspear Shikari for sure attacks. He gets 2 life. Oh no. But at least I won't lose any, which is okay. Hopefully we have a mana right now. But he also seems to be a bit screwed. Screwed on 3 mana, which would be pretty fine for us. Okay, Galvanizer. You make to the board. Auric Sunchaser. Well. Bladed Pinions. I guess I play the Sunchaser. Or what else? Maybe Life Smith. If we draw another mana next turn, we immediately can use his ability. Guess that's the play. Okay, this Galvanizer just, powers up the other mirrors and the Mirror Lord, okay. Hopefully he has not that many mirrors in his deck. Both swing by, no, just Mr. Shikari. But you may do that. I see me already killing him with a combination of Tangle Angler and Untamed Might. Make the Tangle Angler flying, and, well, this would be pretty awkward. Yeah, he goes to more mana. To more life, not more mana. I want to go to more mana. Can't be that I won't draw any mana here. Incredible. Yeah, Sunchaser. Okay. Yeah, so the same cards like I do. Whoa. And here comes, that thing. The Millbird, okay. Yeah, finally. So, Bladed Pinions. And we activate it with... We trigger it with a Lifesmith. Yeah, sure, I do. So we're back on 21 life, which is okay. Yeah. Sure. Equip the bladed pinions to the sun spear she carry. This should work. Right now he can just move in with a screeching Silklaw. Okay, he's still on 4 mana. Having a revoking Existence, yeah, okay. Unluckily that works for you. If we have... do I want to trade Lifesmith with the Mirror Galvanizer? Guess I want to. Right now this sucks more than it really helps, Lifesmith. This is okay. If I draw another land, we have our next wall, which is Tangle Angler. Which should actually prevent the Sun Spear she carry from attacking. And so we removed another artifact, by the way, so this one doesn't work that good. Okay. Yeah, well, what do we do here? Sunchaser doesn't help us that much. Well, let's just equip it with the Sun Spear she carry and swing in. Guess this should be the play. We get back some of the life. Pretty stupid this game, up to now. Both with lifelink. Oh my god, pretty stupid. Yeah. Really pretty stupid up to now. Okay. Seize the initiative. Open, but what can I use that on? Not that much. Now he swings in with 4 of them. No, just with Sun Spear she carry? Oh, okay. With 4, that's okay. 1 mana please for the Tangle Angler. This would be sweet. And he plays. Barb Battle Gear would also be sweet on the Sun Spear she carry. So if we don't play, if we don't draw a mana, the play should be Barb Battle Gear on... Yeah, okay. Okay, this may... Yeah, this is okay. Mana, please. Mana! So, Sun Spear she carry comes, swings by. And my Tangle Angler is... Yeah, actually a good wall. Because he will just be able to attack with a screeching Silklaw. Because I don't think he will like to get his Sun Spear she carry become weakened. Yeah, here comes Tangle Angler. Mr. Infact. The Infact wall. This is pretty sweet. I see myself attacking with Tangle Angler, having 10 mana, tapping that for killing him in 1 turn with poison. I already see myself doing that. Yeah, charge counter, for sure. Just mill me. Just mill on me. Another land would be pretty sweet. Barb Battle Gear on the Sun Spear she carry. But even though we don't draw land, I guess the play... Campus Skyguard or Barb Battle Gear. Having the threat to equip that the next turn with the Sun Spear she carry. Yeah, what happens? What happens, man? Screeching Silklaw swings in. No? No Screeching Silklaw? Okay. Yeah. Do that, okay. You get 2 life and, well, do that. That's okay. What can he have in white blue to attack with Sun Spear she carry here against my Tangle Angler? That looks pretty stupid. But okay. You really want those 2 lives so much? Guess so. So you have a nice lifelink creature with soon 0 attack points. Yeah, okay. That's cool. Yeah, here's the forest. So we play the Barb Battle Gear. What? Okay, so we got a fan from YouTube here already. Hello there, Ronald M. So, and we equip that with Sunspear Shikari. That should do it. That should be pretty interesting. How can I get back from that? Don't care. So, Sunspear Shikari just swings in for 6. Which is really awesome. By the way, for all you English people, he says, "Hi, I'm the YouTube fail flamer." Okay, yeah, this works. Okay, just want to close that. Yeah, this works. And here's Sunspear Shikari swing in. Well, that's a good combination. This is awesome. And now I have more life than he does. So you're gonna mill me, man. Pretty sick game. It's must be kind of boring. After approximately 10 turns, we both have more than 20 life. And the Millbird swings in. No, he doesn't. Guess not. Oh, the Millbird swings in. Without milling me. That's okay. That's okay. That's really okay. Yeah, he take the 1 damage. And he can't play anything more, which is pretty sweet. So guess we play the Skyguard. Or no, we play the Sun Chaser and the Copper Mirror, so we have Metalcraft ready right now with a mirror. Was that really worth it, man? Was that really worth it? But I guess he supposes that it was worth it. And Shikari comes. This is really sweet with Barb Battle Gear, Blighted Pinions. Really sweet. Even though the Blighted Pinions just give him flying and not first strike. But, well, I don't care. Because he already has first strike from being equipped. Yeah, this works. Okay, he's got something. And please don't kill my Shikari. I would really not appreciate that. Darksteel Sentinel. When since does this thing fly? Guess it doesn't, he's just playing it. Ah, okay, the Oryx Sunchaser now has flying, but well, you may block that. I don't care. Or, yeah, okay, you don't want to block that. That's also okay. Then we play Mr. Copper Mirror. Then we have Metalcraft. And we play Mr. Sunchaser, leaving 1 plane open. Really wide open. So, guess that's okay. Your turn, man, your turn. Okay, he's using the grind clock again. He has just 1 card on his hand. Actually, his deck doesn't really seem that good. I guess my deck is better. Mine's fine, really fine here. Just having the Quarter Shield as equipment for Sunspear Shikari doesn't work that good. Okay, I can cast Untamed Might right now for 5. Cast it for 5 on the Flying Tangleangler. This would be sweet. Okay, Mr. Invisimancer. That's okay.